Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Saskia and I create home and wardrobe styling videos. So today's video is going to be an example of how to create your own fall capsule wardrobe. Creating a capsule wardrobe has many benefits. If you're new to this concept, here are a couple reasons why you should do it. The first reason is that it provides a great foundation that makes getting dressed and shopping a lot easier. Second reason is that it's an investment. Although you may have to indulge a bit in the beginning or up front, it really does save you a lot of time and money in the long run. The third reason is that you end up using a lot fewer pieces to create a lot more looks, simply because the concept revolves around what you have as opposed to how much you have. So the first thing to do is to consider your current lifestyle. So since I'm a work from home kind of gal, as I'm sure you may be because of COVID, it's really important for your wardrobe to reflect that and the fact that you're going to be home most of the time. So focus on comfort and functionality while keeping it stylish. Now let's jump right into creating that capsule wardrobe. So now's the time to pull out all those pieces from the previous season and free up some space in your wardrobe for the fall. The pieces that you pull out, be sure to prepare them for storage so that they're ready for next year. Now that you have some space, take out your storage bin with all of your fall pieces in it and start identifying what's going to make the cut. This is a really great time to start decluttering and parting ways with those pieces that you used to wear or you have for the fall season but no longer serve you and your style. It's a give and take kind of process, so you may find that there are a couple of pieces or accessories missing in order for it to complete your whole capsule wardrobe. Add these items to your wish list so that you can tend to them later. Having a running wish list is really essential because it'll help you focus on what you need, be intentional about shopping, maximize your money, and also minimize any fashion faux pas that really don't serve your style. My personal style is really comfy chic, and my secondary style is quite tailored. So I wanted to incorporate a couple of pieces in my wardrobe to add to the tailored finished look. So you'll see that I pulled quite a few comfy chic basics that will cater to my day-to-day needs while feeding in some tailored pieces in order to refine my look. Now it's time to pick out some shoes that will complement and personalize your style. There's no maximum or minimum amount of shoes that you can include in your capsule wardrobe, but just be sure that you're selecting shoes that are comfortable, versatile, and really do reflect your style. Do I sound like a broken record yet? Because I feel like I do. It's all about style and function. I personally selected a couple of flats, but also included some heels for the select occasion. Although accessories aren't included in the count for your capsule wardrobe, it's really important to keep that in mind when creating staples for your everyday look. Have a go-to set of jewelry that you can wear on a day-to-day to add a little bit of luster to your look. We're already starting to see fall wanting to kind of roll in. The air is a bit more crisp. The leaves look like they want to turn. Starbucks is probably getting ready to serve their pumpkin spice lattes. So it's a really good time for you to start preparing for your fall wardrobe. You'll find that you're less inclined to shop for things that you don't need when you actually look at what you already have. So I really encourage you guys to put together your capsule wardrobe prior to shopping for the season. That way you don't make any repeats, you're not wasting your money, you're not wasting your time, and it actually turns out to be an effective capsule wardrobe for you. I always love hearing from you, so if you have something specific that you cannot live without for the fall season and you know you're going to include in your capsule wardrobe, leave it in the comments below and let's chat about it. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would so very much appreciate that. And if you haven't joined our family already, please go ahead and do so by clicking on the subscription button down below and clicking on the notification so that you never miss another video. Alright babe, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!